What is mixed metaphor? Mixed metaphor is a figure of speech where two or more different metaphors are combined in the same sentence or idea. Because the images come from different comparisons, the sentence can sound strange, confusing, or sometimes funny. Before understanding mixed metaphor, let's quickly understand a normal metaphor. A metaphor directly compares two different things, like, life is a journey. Here, life is compared to a journey. We don't mean that life is literally a road, we mean life has different stages, challenges, and destinations. Now imagine that we suddenly add a completely different image. That is where a mixed metaphor comes in. For example, we need to get all our ducks on the same page. This mixes two expressions, get your ducks in a row, and get on the same page. Get your ducks in a row means to organize things properly. Get on the same page means to agree or understand something in the same way. When these two expressions are mixed together, we get a mixed metaphor. The sentence sounds unusual because the two images do not naturally belong together. Here is another example. We'll burn that bridge when we come to it. It mixes burn our bridges with cross that bridge when we come to it. Burn our bridges means to destroy the possibility of going back. Cross that bridge when we come to it means to deal with a problem when it happens. So, the easiest way to remember mixed metaphor is, one metaphor starts the picture and another unrelated metaphor suddenly enters it. Let's take another example. We need to hit the nail on the head and get the ball rolling. Hit the nail on the head means to do or say something exactly right, while get the ball rolling means to start something. Both expressions are metaphors, but they come from completely different images. One comes from hammering a nail, and the other comes from rolling a ball. Mixed metaphors can sometimes happen by mistake. A person may know two common expressions and accidentally combine them while speaking. But writers and comedians can also use mixed metaphors deliberately. They may use them to create humor, irony, or a surprising effect. For example, we are at a crossroads, so let's put our cards on the table. Crossroads comes from a journey, while cards on the table comes from playing cards. The two images are different, so the expression becomes a mixed metaphor. It may sound unusual, but it can also make the sentence memorable. Now let's understand the difference between a normal metaphor and a mixed metaphor. Life is a journey. This is a normal metaphor because it develops one clear image, the journey. But if we say, life is a journey, so keep your eyes on the ball, we suddenly move from a journey to a sports game. That creates a mixed metaphor because two unrelated images have been combined. Mixed metaphor is also different from a simile. A simile uses like or as, while a metaphor makes a direct comparison. For example, he is as brave as a lion is a simile. He is a lion is a metaphor. If we combine different metaphorical images, we get a mixed metaphor. So remember, simile equals like, as, metaphor equals direct comparison, mixed metaphor equals mixed images. Why should we study mixed metaphor? Because it helps us understand how writers and speakers use language creatively. It also helps us recognize when a sentence becomes confusing because different images are being combined. This is especially useful when studying poetry, literature, speeches, and even everyday language. One simple way to identify a mixed metaphor is to ask yourself, can I see two completely different pictures in this sentence? If the answer is yes, check whether those pictures come from different metaphors. If they do, you may be looking at a mixed metaphor. So, let's remember the whole concept in one simple sentence. A mixed metaphor happens when two or more unrelated metaphors are combined. It can be accidental, confusing, humorous, or deliberately creative. And here's the easiest trick, metaphor equals one comparison. Mixed metaphor equals different comparisons mixed together. For example, get our ducks on the same page two expressions, two different images, one sentence. That's a mixed metaphor. That's all for today's lesson. If you know any funny or interesting examples of mixed metaphors from books, movies, or everyday conversations, share them in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!